Hi everyone, this is Bob from Retail Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our cutting tooling for the copper tube. This is for the shipless cutting, or we call it orbital cutting. The size is for 1x4. It's for 6.35. Different copper tube size need to change the different cutting tool. And this is a cutter. It's consumable parts.